This episode is sponsored by 𝘁𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗍𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗍𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 Caribbean and the United States, from premium olive oil to spreads, dips, sauces, and even sweet items such as jams. So check them out at 𝘁𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 and bring the world home to your kitchen. As you know, it's August, and summer's in full bloom, so are the vegetables. August is hot, and last August I was in Cinque Terre, just east of Florence, Italy. Amazing time, beautiful cities there, beautiful little towns. One of my favorite drinks on that trip was the Limoncello Spritzer. It's delicious, it's refreshing, it's easy to make. So before we start cooking, let's get our drink made. This drink only has 4 ingredients. It has limoncello, prosecco, club soda, and a little bit of lemon. So let's get making this drink, okay? Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take 1 ounce of limoncello. That's about 1 ounce there. So good. I'm going to put some ice in my cup. Going to put about 2 ounces of club soda. And then of course we have to, I guess I probably should have opened this before. Do this properly, just in case it goes off. Okay, this is a really good Prosecco too. It was given to me by my sister-in-law for my birthday, and I'm looking forward to this. Be really careful taking this off because these things can go crazy. 1, 2, 3. There we go. And then we're just going to top this off with the Prosecco. Don't. And it's that easy. But we have to put one more thing. Twist a lemon. And our garnish. Voila. Delicious, refreshing drink on a warm summer day. Takes you back to Cinque Terre, and I can't think of many other better places to be right now. Now that we've got our drink, let's start making our appetizer. It is an eggplant involtini with ricotta and scallions.